What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're not the same. Magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I'm your host, Fancy Fireboy, aka Yellow Submarine, and this is another episode of And Also. And on today's episode of And Also, I'm at this CP drop. I got here late. My size is gone. I'm pretty pissed. But boy, hopefully I can do a swapsies and I'll be happy. But yeah, I got Nikes on at Adidas drop. Everyone's looking at me funny, but I go for style, not for you know. But anyway, yeah. Let me show you what's happening. Bear with me. All right. So I'm just gonna show you a lot of people's feet. They're looking at me funny because, you know, I'm in Nikes, but you know, I do my own thing. Always have. You know, nice little pair there. You get me? Hello, sir. How are you?
You alright, mate?
Have you got your pair secured?
Yes, I have.
Good man. What size are you?
10.
Oh, fuck off. That's my size. Well done. Good man. Good man. Our guy Jay Rags, what's good?
Going on? You
looking
cool, yeah?
dapper in the CP, head to toe. You know Jay never messes about, man.
Every time we out
every time. Hello, guys. If you don't want to be in the camera, just tell them to fuck off. Alright, how you doing? It's too late. No, if you don't want, I'll cut it out. Don't worry. Oh, I love these. They're beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Well done. Guys, I know you're looking at me fun because I got Nikes. I did it on purpose. I'm not a reseller.
He just wants to get a bit of attention.
No, not even. It went with the jacket, I thought, guys. It went with the jacket. Have you come from far, guys? Sorry?
Yeah, we're Lancashire.
Lancashire. Oh, nice. What about you, sir?
I'm from Northwich, mate.
Northwich. What about you, sir?
Birmingham.
Have you got your sizes?
Yes.
Yes?
I'm half out.
I'm 2 out, so
I'm an half out.
I need an 8. I need a 10, and I got 8.
Have you?
Yeah, but it's no good. That's two.
2 out, innit?
Yeah, it's 2 out. So I've signed up. Hopefully, I'll get a 10, and then we'll see.
Swap.
I'm loving the footwear, guys. Beautiful. Hello, sir. I know you got it at. I'm loving the footwear. Don't worry, I'll tell you what my YouTube is, and then you guys can all see your handsome selves and beautiful selves. How are you, sir? Did you get your size?
Yeah, size 10.
Size
and
10?
the jacket.
Ah, good man. Size 10.
Jacket all the way from fucking North Wales.
Oh, North Wales, brother.
North Wales,
well done.
4 hours. 4 hours on the train,
Yep.
North Wales.
Alright,
Trainers
good
on the
man.
jacket in the back. Yeah.
Well done. Yeah, at least you secured it. Hello, guys. How are you? Looking dapper. How goes it? Have you secured your sizes?
Yes, mate.
What size are you?
8.
8. That's the size I got. I need a 10. What size are you, sir?
8.5.
Is that your size?
Yes.
What size are you, sir?
12.
You got it, obviously. Of course you did. I'm just filming you guys. Well done for securing your pair, unlike me who came late like an idiot. Hello, guys. How you doing? Have you secured your pair? If you don't want me to film, tell me. Have you secured your pair?
Well, you can secure, but you have to pay me for it. Come on, bro.
Well, I'm 2 out, so I'm on an 8. I need a 10.
Hopefully.
I know.
I've got to
You got
say,
8.5?
this comb, though.
Lovely.
Yeah, lovely.
Love it. Thank you, man. And that's
the
why I
beard
wore.
also.
That's why I wore the Nikes, not because I was trying to be a dick. It's just I thought it.
You're colour combo, weren't you?
Yeah, colour combo. Yeah, and I thought, fuck
Mate,
it.
that jacket
No one
is
cares
awesome.
that much. I should have realised. Adidas heads are a bit different,
Well,
but
I
where
don't
did you
care
guys
about
come
hair,
from?
you do, because you've got more of it than me. But that's fucking ace.
Alright. Where did you guys come from today?
Wrexham for me.
Wrexham.
North
What about
Wales.
you, sir?
Hartlepool.
Hartlepool. What about you, sir? Stoke. Lovely. Good man. You guys look very handsome. And yeah, I'll tell you what my YouTube is, and then you can see your handsome selves. Thank you for taking the time, guys. No problem. Thank you. Love this bag. This bag's beautiful. I wanted this and I missed it. I was so annoyed.
Take it, George.
No. I live in London. I know what that means. I'll get chased in about 2 minutes.
Give me right, man.
Yeah. Everyone's camping. They've been here for a couple of days. Yes, talk to me, sir.
What year's that coat from?
This coat is 3 years ago, I think. About 3 years ago.
Sexy.
What is it? Lovely that.
Down.
There's a down as well now.
Yeah, bad jacket.
Yeah,
Lovely.
man. Thank you. I got it from the Stone Island sale shop. There's a Stone Island outlet shop in London.
Are you on Instagram, brother?
Yeah. Say again?
Are you on Instagram, are you, brother?
I am on Instagram,
What's your
and I'm on. It is Once We Are Not the Same, and that's my YouTube. If you
Get
take
that
it
in
down,
there,
I'll tell you. Yeah, no,
I'm
you
on
need to go
charge
there.
of
You need
the
to go
deck
there.
chair
Are you in charge?
I'm on charge of it.
Oh, you're on charge.
Right, what you saying?
So WANTS, WANTS, and then underscore. Oh yeah, that's me. Top one. See you
that,
guys
brother.
in a bit. Thank you guys for taking time. Looking cool, man.
You as well, all about LG and this.
Hello, gang. Sorry, what's the story? Morning Glory? Sorry, is that relevant? I heard you sell LG, sorry. Guys, have you secured your pairs?
No, I need a little total wake up.
Well, I've secured a pair, not my pair. I need a 10. Have you secured your pair?
Yes.
I like
I've
that,
been
by
here
the way.
since Monday night, my friend.
Oh, you was one of the people that they spoke about. Have you secured your pair, sir?
I certainly have.
Good man, you're up in front. Are you top 3, yeah? Unlike my
Top
beautiful Spurs. Yeah, let's not talk about
Oh, no, Diane's
beautiful
here,
colour,
but
by
she
the way.
just-
Hi, Diane.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
I like the colour cord, by the way.
Thank you.
Well done, you. Well done. How are you, sir?
Thank you.
Secured your pair, obviously.
Yeah.
He's the genuine first person who were here on Monday afternoon.
He's a good man, and you know what? If I had known, I would have. Well, I wouldn't have come and stayed out, but I would have at least come up, because I'm only up the road, so I'm pissed. But it's all good.
You're gonna win the end raffle, so it's all good.
Please, God, let me win. I just need a size 10, and I'm happy.
I've already won a 10, so.
Oh, are you a 10?
Yeah, I won a
What's
I won
this
the
for,
end as well.
YouTube?
Will you swap with me?
No.
Oh, you doubling up?
Yeah.
No, that's fair. Because I've got 8.
He's been calling you a reseller.
Say again?
Tripling up.
Oh, are you?
Winning in the online
He's
raffle.
calling you
I
a
turned around and
reseller.
went, he's a reseller, he's got to be. Why are you wearing
Why? Because I was wearing
Nikes
Nikes.
with Adidas?
I know. Everyone thought that, but I put I went colour code. That's all.
Good man.
Yeah, I'm
the
not.
Palace top. I love the
I wear what I buy, and I buy what I wear. So I'm
Good
not.
man,
I don't have to
that's what
worry
I
what
like to
everyone
hear.
else thinks. You know, it's like
Diane's
I come
got
to
the
camp.
smoke now, she's proving it wrong.
I'm like, he's not a reseller. He's
Nah,
not a
that's what I'm
reseller.
saying. I'm not
What's
gonna
this
come
one,
out here. and
YouTube
camp.
or what?
Yeah, I got YouTube.
Give me it, I'll
take it down.
subscribe now.
Good man, you're a star.
Oh, don't put me on your YouTube.
Come
if it-
on.
Mate, if it's
Should I not? Because I won't. I'll cut you out. But I will shout you out and say, hey Diane, you told me not to put you on.
Yeah, you can do that.
But
don't put me
I shouldn't put you on, promise? Alright, I'll put your shoes.
You'll see the shout out, I'll give you one in a minute.
Nah, you're good man, I appreciate you man. It's a beautiful pair, Tom. What
These
colour
are-
is that? Is that purple?
Yeah, it's AS 520 Spezial. So we're here for a Spezial event.
You are?
These was made off the AS 500s, which was made in Japan, one of the only AS releases to be made in Japan and released in Japan.
Nice.
And there was meant to be a 500 except the toe guard. The toe guard, Adidas refused to spend money on reproducing. So Gary Aston had to make a new toe guard,
Yep.
and so therefore it's a new training, it's an AS 520.
I get you.
And that's the story of how they got the name.
I'm going to give you a fun fact. I was going to wear my Spezial SL80s today, but I thought, no, they're not as comfortable as these. I should have worn them and then you lot wouldn't have fucking taken the piss out of me.
Wearing Nike to an Adidas queue, it can't be done.
Ah, no, I know. Rookie mistake. You'd think at 44 I'd know better, right? Nice one, gang.
Double footers all over.
That's why I've been Northwich.
Go on, lad.
Alright, fella.
What's your YouTube?
Once, we are not the same, yeah. WANTS, we are not the same.
He's a reseller, there's gotta be.
He's been taking piss out of me since we met. Once, yeah, and then space, we are not the same. We are not the same.
Top one.
That's me right there. I know, some idiot, I think. Nice one. Yeah, that's me though. That's me there.
We
man.
better be on it tomorrow, lad.
You're all on it. There's no edits other than she doesn't want to be in it. But yeah, there's
If
no
I say a
edits.
massive C-bomb, if I say a massive C-bomb, are you going to leave me in here?
What if you say a massive C-bomb? I'm cutting you. It's a family-friendly show, for fuck's sake. That's
Go ahead, lad.
nice one, guys. Nice one. Thank you, man.
But it's Northwich, right?
All right. How you guys doing? Good, bro. Alright, let me film the seat. Obviously. That's a great orange, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's nice. Where you lot from?
Southend.
Southend?
Yeah, man.
You got your sizes?
Yeah.
What sizes?
I'm size 8. Got a 9.
Size 9. Are you a size 9?
Yeah.
Ah, good man. Well done, man. I love the tent, man. You guys came prepared. Get me. How are you guys doing, man? Good, yeah, good, man. I know I'm a heathen. Don't worry. I will be addressing this on the video. But anyway, where are you guys from?
Leeds.
Leeds, nice.
Dirty Leeds.
Oh, I said that. You got your sizes?
Yeah,
Size 12.
Size 12. Ah, good man. Oh, don't say the word 10. Don't say the word 10, man. I'm still trying to.
Evening, sir.
Evening, sir. How are you?
He's a 10 as well.
Fine.
Are you a 10 as well?
I'm a 10 as well. I got it as well.
You got your size, yeah?
Yeah.
Where are you from, sir?
Bradford,
Bradford. Nice to meet you.
Yorkshire.
You like Cilla Black?
Yeah.
What's your name and where are you from?
I know, I am like Cilla Black. Well, half of it, anyway.
We're not
But
filming
anyway.
it.
Oh yes, I remember. Oh yeah, no, sorry.
Come on,
Because
Sam.
You engaged me and you know I ain't got no friends. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna pretend I'm artistic. You hear my knees creaking? Yeah. So what's been happening, guys? How are you?
Stay safe.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow morning.
Drive safe, man. He's taking piss out of me, I know. Don't worry. What can you do, eh? I know. What can you do, man?
No, I said to you, it's not for you anyway.
Exactly.
You know. What do you mean? Come on.
He doesn't need a pair, sir. Just remember.
Let the people, they like it.
Exactly.
Mine will be on Saturday night and I'll be spewing all over them.
You're the worst.
The people that wear the candy, they're easy, right? I had nothing against, but I remember when I was working for Adidas, these people are Adidas. And then all of a sudden, Kenny was coming, he's like, oh yeah, it's cool. Oh wow. And I'm thinking, man, you don't like it. So
I remember when the 600s come out, ZX 600s come out, I get 2 pairs. And both pairs, I broke my big toe and both pairs fucking come through the material. The big toe, I wore a whole pair.
To sell in 2007. Oh, that's my boss.
I'm talking 86. I'm talking 86.
Tell him you need a size 10, sir. Extra size 10.
Yeah, I
ASAP.
want 3 pair.
For a soon to be.
I actually want to
Bro, let's not fall out over your 3 pairs. I did have this thought though, if you wanted one for your glass box, you know, a size 8 would look so much better in a glass box than a size 10.
Don't have a glass box. But if I get 4 pairs, I'll give you one.
No, not give, we'll swap, because I don't want nothing for free. But no, I know what he meant. Let's pray I win at end my size. Let's pray. I'm gonna get them, they're mine. Positive thoughts. Take care, sir. Thank you.
Nice, warm, cozy.
Be well.
Sorry, excuse me. I called just before you guys called. I called the shop. Yeah, so he told me there was a list of something. I said there was a list.
Lucky to catch him. He didn't leave this late last night.
I know, man.
I reckon he's getting everything ready for the morning.
I know. Sorry, my love. Don't worry. I'll edit. I promise.
Yeah, we need now because it's pretty shit on. I've been to loads of campouts. See, Daz is always like that. Daz and Sarah's always like that when he was saying what he does. So whether you're going to see a new thing happening, I don't know.
What's your channel, man? Because these guys want to know.
What's your channel, man?
It's once.
It's popular, doesn't it?
Yeah, no, it's once as in I want, but with an S. And then we are not the same.
Loads of space.
Right, you better write it down.
I want 10s. Just for tonight. I want 10s.
Why?